News just coming in. The United Nations Sanctions Committee has assured India that it will take up the issue of the release of Mumbai terror attack mastermind Zakir Rehman Lakhvi at its next meeting. India has expressed concern over the LET commander's release from a Pakistani jail, saying that it violates the provisions of the global body. India had also pointed out that as a listed terrorist, Lakhvi can neither receive nor give money since all his assets and financial resources have to be frozen. Any bail money posted for Lakhvi is also a violation of the provisions of the Sanctions Committee. Deputy Editor Smita Sharma is now joining us with more details. Smita, shall we call it a shot in the arm for India that it has been able to wake up the international organization to the dangers of a free terror mastermind?
Well, yes, it does in fact strengthen India's case, Maha, because remember after Lakhvi in fact walked out of Adiala jail on that bail that was posted for him, of course, following the court orders. It's not just India, but concerns, of course, were expressed by all countries, including the United States as well, and the other countries, including, France, Germany, to Australia. Because at the end of the day, remember, in December 2008, when Zakir Rehman Lakhvi, in fact, was proscribed under the 1267 resolution of the United Nations Security Council, the Sanctions Committee, he was in fact proscribed as a terrorist associated with Lashkar-e-Taiba and Al-Qaeda. And for somebody who's proscribed under 1267, there is, of course, he is subjected to asset freeze, to travel ban, to an arms embargo, be it an organization or an individual which has been proscribed for terror activities. So clearly, India's ambassador to the UN, as we had reported yesterday, in fact, Ashok Mukherjee had written that letter to the Sanctions Committee, the Al-Qaeda Sanctions Committee ambassador, Jim Mackley, and expressed concern. And Jim Mackley, in fact, has now responded. In the next few days, the Sanctions Committee will be meeting in and taking up and discussing India's concerns as well.
Absolutely. The UN body now says that it will discuss this matter in its next meeting. Smita, many thanks for joining us with those details.